Hello friends, I am Dr. Vilas Kalekar. I would like to welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind, episode number 17. Today's rubric is Abstraction of Mind. Now, what is meant by abstraction of mind? It is an intention of mind or absence of mind may perform all their duties but forgets everything, preoccupied or getting away from real subject. Thoughts stray away and dwell on some other subject, having no concern with the present subject. Patient is deeply engrossed in same thoughts while he is working. This is हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ एब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ माइंड इज दिमाग की कल्पनाशीलता और तल्लीनता. देन व्हाट इज द मराठी मीनिंग ऑफ एब्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ माइंड? मराठी मीनिंग इज शून्य मनसकता, मनाची असावधानता, अनावधानात कार्य करीत असतानाही सर्व विसरणारा, स्वतःच्या विचारात मग्न असलेला. This is Marathi meaning. Then what are the remedies for the abstraction of mind? First is Nux moschata, then Allumina, Arnica, Cannabis indica, Chamomilla, Crocus, Graphitis, Helleborus, Hyoscyamus, Creosote, Lycopodium, Lysine, Murk, Merserium, Natramur, Phosphorus, sulfur, tuberculinum and fiscum. So these are the some group of remedies of abstraction of mind. Then now we will see the cross references for the abstraction of mind. The first is absent-mindedness. What is meant by absent-mindedness? It is a forgetfulness and inattentive in the surrounding. There is no fixation of mind at all. Absent-minded often forget things or does not pay attention to what is happening near them because they are thinking about the other things. Or the people who are not doing anything and still he don't respond to the ordinary calls although he has no other thoughts in his mind. That is meant by absent-mindedness. The next is brooding. Brooding means to think deeply, anxiously, thoughtfully with emotional distress, engaged in or showing deep thought about something that makes one sad, angry, or worried. It is a thinking deeply and seriously about something, especially something that is making them unhappy. This is brooding of mind. Then concentration difficult. It is the ability to direct all your effort and attention on one thing without thinking of other things. Being concentrated on the ability to think carefully about something you are doing and nothing else. This is the concentration difficulty. Then daydreaming. Daydreaming is a ideal and pleasant thoughts, a sudden a dream-like fantasy experienced while awake that makes you forget about present. This is daydreaming. The next cross reference is dream as if inner. It is a series of thoughts, images, sensations occurring in a person mind during sleep. This is dreams as if in a. Then next cross reference is fancies absorbed in. What is meant by fancies? Fancies means the flight of imagination or daydreaming, inclination to absorb in one particular type of thoughts or something as an internal desire without any reason, or it is a fancy is liking or desire for someone or something, especially one that does not last long. Or it is a means mind forms images or presentation of things and at pleasure. This is fancies absorbing. Then forgetfulness means failure to remember, having a poor memory, failing to keep in mind, or the people becomes non-attentive, or they forget the things because of the emotions. So what emotion makes them so? It can be fear, sadness, anger, grief, or anything differing in each medicine. This is forgetfulness. Then next cross reference is from disposed to. What is mean by frown? Frown means it is a furrows one's brows in an expression indicating disapproval, displeasure, or concentration. A frown is a facial expression in which the eyebrows are brought together and the forehead is wrinkled, usually indicating displeasure, sadness, or worry, or less often confusion or concentration. This is from disposed to. The next cross reference is introspection. Introspection means careful examination of one's own thoughts and feeling, examining and considering your own ideas, thoughts, and feeling instead of talking the other people about them. This is introspection. Then irresolution ideas in. Irresolution means undecided in his mind, uncertain or fluctuation of mind. This is irresolution ideas in. Then meditation. Meditation means the practice of thinking deeply in a silence, especially for religious reason, or in order to make you your mind calm, or it is a observe in his own thoughts and spiritual exercise consisting in a deep continued reflection on a religious theme. It is a process of quieting of mind in order to spend time in thought for relaxation or religious spiritual purpose. This is meditation. Then next cross reference is reveries. Reveries means absorbed in thoughts, absorbed in fantasies and daydreams, thinking about pleasant things almost as though dreaming. This is reveries. Then seat meditates. The next seats wrapped in a deep thoughts. Then next cross reference spaced out feeling. Spaced out feeling means unaware to understand and react to whatever happening around them. Then next cross reference thoughts thoughtful. Thoughts means it is an idea or opinion produced by thinking or occurring suddenly in the mind. This is thoughts. The next cross reference is unobserving. Unobserving means it is a lack of power of observation and hence fails to observe important happenings around them, or it is inattentive, or it means not observing, not noticing, or not perceiving. This is unobserving. So these are the cross references for abstraction of mind. Then we will see the miasm of abstraction of mind. The miasm is syphilis miasm. Then we will see the psychiatric condition or disease condition of abstraction of mind. The first is epileptic psychosis and second is schizophrenia. So this is all about the abstraction of mind. Friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and We will meet in next episode with a new rubrics. Till then, thank you.